This chicken and vegetable curry is definitely going to do the rubber dingy rapids in your mouth. And mine. So first off, to make this dish, you need 350 grams of chicken thighs, 350 grams of chicken breast. If you add that up together, it's 700 grams. What I decided to do was to salt the chicken. I added in half a lemon. I added in half a lemon, 1 tablespoon of ginger, and 1 tablespoon of garlic. And I marinated it for about 2 hours in the fridge. And now we are going to slice up our onions nice and fine. As fine as you can, Shafter. Whoa, 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 whoa. So I've chopped up 4 onions. So this is the amount you need. Then I'm going to get my, oh mate, what a pot, man. This is a beast, man. Oh, wrong one. Got it. Next up, in my pot, this is a key fact, guys, lubrication. It is key, man. So we don't need to add in any garlic or ginger paste because if you go back to the start of the video, we've already added in our garlic and ginger paste. We've squeezed lemon in, we've salted it. Just go for it. Just go for it, man. As you can see, I have moved house. We have just moved into our new house, and I'll tell you one thing, guys. Moving house is one of the most easiest thing to do. Kidding on. It is stressful, man. We're cooking the onions until they're caramelized. Just like me. Then we're going to go in with the thighs and the titties of the chicken. That smells good. Yeah, I think the tomatoes have shrank, by the way. They have shrank, right? Like, when I bought them this morning, right, they were the size of my balls. Massive. I've got 5 wee tomatoes here, right? I would get a big tomato. I've chopped up 5 wee tomatoes, and I've got a big tomato right here, right? So, do the math, man. I'm thinking 600 grams of tomatoes. Once the chicken's cooked, go in with our tomatoes. 5 wee tomatoes and 1 big tomato. Give this a wee mix. Tomatoes in with the juice. Once you start seeing the tomatoes getting all nice and mushy, I'm sorry guys, right? Normally I've got a spice box, but you pull out the spice bag. I've ordered my wooden masala dabba, my wooden masala box. I've just got like a packet of spices here, right? So bear with me, guys. I'm gonna go in with half a tablespoon of turmeric powder, half a tablespoon of coriander powder, half a tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder. Now this has got a wee kick, right? But it's not the same as chili powder. Cumin powder, again, same measurements, guys. Half a tablespoon. Give it all a good wee mix. Can you smell that? Because I can, man, and it is fucking, oh mate, it's beautiful. Is a chicken and veg curry. One of the veg that I'm going to be going in with is chestnut mushrooms. After I've chopped up my mushrooms, I'm also going to slice up some red peppers and some yellow pepper as well. Before we add in our veg, try and get yourself a box of chicken masala, half a tablespoon. Does look dodgy, doesn't it? We're going to add in a pinch full of some of the good stuff. This is fenugreek leaves. Next, we're going to go ball deep with our veg. Don't be shy, man. Just stick it in there, man. Give it all a good wee mix and let this bad boy cook for a wee bit. It is time for me and you to have a wee iron brew break. Next, we're going to go in with some green chilies because we're shaggers. We're in the final stages, guys. I'm adding in black pepper coarse. Stick in your willy. I'm not... Right, okay. You need to stick in garam masala powder, right, at the end of the curry. Whoever puts it in at the start, you're a fanny. You're a fanny because you're just going to burn your curry. I'm going to go in with some fresh green coriander. Oh, mate. Look at that, man. Look at that. Does that not look amazeballs? Let's get this into a bowl and munched, man. What a bit. Here. Don't say I've not offered, Shafter. Let's try this bad boy out. I've got it all. Here goes. Don't be a ball bag. Don't be a ball. You need to try this, man. Guys, make sure to like and follow. Let me know what to cook next in the comments. Don't be shy. Bob's your uncle. And Fanny is your